So hello and welcome back guys to another live trade recap. So today we are going to be doing the trade recap. I had taken just a few minutes earlier. So I'm going to do a quick overthrough over overall whatever I've seen in order which I had taken the trade. Okay. So I've taken the trade in this 30-second time frame. First when I went to the 30-minute time frame, I had marked out all my overall draw on liquidity and everything for that. Okay. So now if you see here 30-minute time frame, I had already marked out my point of interest in which I would like the market to be heading. Okay, so now the 1 hour time frame, while I sat in the market, if you see the session recording, the market was around here. So the market was here. Now if I went to the 15-minute time frame, the 15-minute at close the CIST with nice candle closure below this 15-minute time frame. Okay, series of downward candle that closed here. Now once this candle had closed very nicely, then my bias was confirmed that the drawn liquidity is lower and it is most likely to take the London low and this equal high present here, and also it can hit to the 1 hour FB. Oh, so then I went to 30-second time frame and waited, and in the 30-second time frame, if you see overall, it rejected the 2 minute fair value and SMP. While the market was here, SMP was somewhere around there, and it also started rejecting this 1 minute fair value which is presented SMP 500. Okay, so then I went here and this exact point, you see the CIS of 15 minutes, changing the shade of 15 minutes, and also the changing the shade of 30-second series of downward candle. Once we close below that, then I put my entry here. Now I could have gotten a better entry if I would have entered somewhere around here. I put for a little pullback, but I didn't do that because the market was looking like it's just going to just fall through. Okay, in a second, which happened yesterday. So quickly I just placed my entry here and put my stop loss above this high. Then once the market broke through this high, then I put my stop loss around here, and eventually my overall take profit got it. I booked the trade around somewhere around here. As the London, no, okay, sorry, I think here somewhere. As the equal low got taken, then I booked my trade. If you want to see the session recording, like both the times, all the session recording are very so low time. This is the one session recording. I think so. This is the one. I'll show you the execution as well. Yes, this is the one. As you can see, I went out in the 15-minute time frame, and then I was just waiting here what the market do. Then here 15-minute time frame, there was a CSD. Then low mid in 1 minute time frame, I was waiting for candle to close below this. If you can see, the market was going. This is all live trading. I'm not just after the market happens, I'm then putting the white, the green PNL. Then I'm saying that okay, I've taken this trade and all that. I'm not going to. I'm going to show execution. I'm going to show everything. Everything is very clear about this. Okay. As the candle closed here, I went to 30-second time frame. I saw I tried to close here. Then here I placed my entry. Okay. This exact point I placed my entry, put my stop loss above this high, and decided the overall okay, it started moving in my direction very nicely. And overall, like I'm feeling a very good about the draw liquidity quite few days because all the hours and hours of backtesting is finally being paid out. So yeah, that's the overall output of the trade. As you can see, the market just fell through. Now, technically speaking, I could have holded the trade for a long time, but like I've got my piece of the pie. Okay, like why should I just let it be running? Like so most of the time, once the market has already given us a nice momentum, just tries to retrace back. Okay, so that's why I just closed my trade overall here. I didn't hold for the overall because this 1 hour fair value was the overall external drop as well as this 4 hour fair value. Okay, so I just closed out my entire position here, and I'll show you the execution as well. Wait. So yeah, so this is the exact uh, what you say execution with 16 Jan. So first I'd book partial in the break-even point, then I'd book the rest of the profit here. So we can see this is the exact today's trade, 16 January. So yeah, that was the overall outcome of this trade. Like overall, all the draw liquidity played out perfectly. See, overall, I'll not lie, but overall, first when the market was here, I was thinking that we can head higher because overall in the day we had nice bullish momentum in the overnight session. Okay, so, but whatever the my draw liquidity is exact at 9:50 a.m. I tried to participate at that, and 9:50 a.m. if you see it is here. I couldn't got an entry here, but I didn't want to miss the like action, so I've taken a trade here. and the trade ended up going my direction very nicely. And that was the overall trade. I hope you understood everything. If you have not understood, you can leave a comment down in the comment section. This is my overall journal for the first 16 days of January. 63% win rate. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Take care.